everyone, Allison Berger here. I'm at the B2B Finance Expo in Las Vegas, now joined with Ryan Campbell of MoneyThumb.
Hi there.
Hi, thanks for coming.
It's great to be here.
Tell me a little bit about MoneyThumb.
Sure. So MoneyThumb converts PDF bank statements and applications into an underwriting scorecard or CRM in just seconds per file. We also immediately identify fraud in those same statements. So it's a real game changer for MCAs, revenue-based financing companies, banks, accountants, anybody who has to actually look at the bank statements to be able to get all the information they need as well as the scorecard data that they need.
There's a lot of needs right there that are getting met.
There's a lot of needs, yep, and we're trying to meet as many as we can.
It sounds like you're doing it right.
It is. We've had a very exciting year. About a month ago, we were acquired by a private equity firm and publicly traded fund, which was great, brought a lot of growth capital into us, and has also just given us the ability to kind of be creative about how we approach the market when we look for growth through acquisitions and things like that.
And what type of creativity are you bringing? Tell me about that.
We've got a lot of new products coming down. Some of it is just based on the document types we'll get. So we're expanding from bank statements, credit card, investment, and PDF applications into a whole suite of different products. And then others is on the analytics that we'll provide to people down the road.
And who is your end user customer in this?
The end users are the MCAs, the revenue-based finance companies, the banks, the accountants, anybody who has to ever look at a PDF bank statement never has to do that again, because in 1 second per file, we're going to convert those into the format that they need most.
And we need it to be quick and easy, right?
It is quick and easy. It's about 1 second per file. And when you start thinking, we had a customer who, before us, was getting through about 6 to 8 files per day. And that was their underwriting process. Great lender, somebody you all know super well. And after us, each underwriter is getting through over 50 files in a day. So that type of improvement is what we're helping them out with.
And they're grateful to have your help. How has the Expo been for you so far?
You know, we absolutely love this expanded format of broker fair. I think it's really great to bring so many new eyeballs into our industry, and it's just so important because this industry truly is one of the most important industries in the U.S. today, right? You've got small and medium-sized businesses that are struggling with the ability to get opportunistic growth capital, and that's exactly what the providers here and this whole ecosystem provides. And so it's great to get so many more eyeballs on it, and I really love what Sean's done. I mean, look, we love him and we'll support him with everything he does because he's been so great to our business.
Well, we're happy to have your eyeballs be a part of today's event and this week's. So thank you for taking some time to talk to me.
Yeah, thank you so much.
And there's still more to come from the B2B Finance Expo.